subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन से रिलेटेड एक और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। तो आइए देखते हैं कि कैसे हम उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं। So problem is given in a certain AP 5 times the fifth term is equal to the eighth time of eighth term. Then you have to prove that its 13th term is 0. Means they have given some condition and you need to prove some term, that is 13th term would be 0. So here how do we solve? Let A be the first term of that given AP and D is the common difference. Okay, let's start with the some assumption. So let A be the first term of given AP and D be the last term. D be the common difference. So fifth term, they said that fifth term, so T5 that would be A plus 4D, and eighth term T8 that would be A plus 7D. Okay, so fifth term, 5 times fifth term equals to 8 times eighth term. So condition they have given 5T5 equals to 8T8. So put the value here. So 5 A plus 4D equals to 8 A plus 7D. Now solve this. This is 5A plus 20D. This is 8A plus 56D. So now put these values here, right hand side. So what we get? We get 3A plus 36D equals to 0. Now divide by 3. We get A plus 12D equals to 0. Now we can write this one A plus 13 minus 1D equals to 0. A plus n minus 1D. This is the n term, na? Formula of n term. We compare it. So this is T13. So T13 that is 0. So see how easily I have proved it. You can do it also. Okay. So whatever is given, just write down the paper and start where do you want to reach. Okay, and easily you will get that target. Thank you.